In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. All you need to do is open Tab menu and look for one-handed mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To change placement of your screen, click on this icon of one-handed mode, located on the right or on the left. If you want to go back to standard size screen, click on this X, also on the left or on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!